is 4:14 in the evening. I'm about to start supper in probably about 30 or 40 minutes. I'm waiting on Titus to get here. He said he's probably just about an hour away now. So I'm gonna wait at least 30 minutes before we start supper. We're just gonna have hamburger steaks and salads tonight. While we're waiting to start that, we're gonna make some snow muffins. I've got some wild blueberry muffin mix and some chocolate chunk. I'm calling them snow muffins because, as y'all know, or if you don't know, we were supposed to get a lot of snow tomorrow. We're probably gonna end up getting a little bit of snow in the morning, and then as of right now, it's looking like by tomorrow afternoon, it's gonna turn into ice. The main thing we had to be prepared for anyway was power outages, because with all these trees around here, that normally happens anytime we get, you know, a decent amount of snow or ice, which isn't very often, but when it does happen, most of the time we lose power. So we're still prepared for that. Snow just would have been a lot more fun than ice. And it's still gonna snow a little bit in the morning. It's just not all day. Like at first they were saying it was gonna be from like 8 o'clock in the morning until midnight snow for us. Maybe it won't change though. Maybe they're wrong. We'll hope they're wrong, and we're gonna have snow muffins. I'm making the muffins so that if we did lose power tomorrow night or Saturday morning, early that morning or something, I'll have muffins and we can make scrambled eggs or whatever. We can make them on the wood stove, on the Blackstone. We can make, you know, scrambled eggs and bacon to go with these muffins. I'm also gonna make some blueberry biscuits, but I think I'll just make the biscuits in the morning because I know we'll, you know, there's no danger of losing power in the morning when the snow first starts. So we'll wait and make the biscuits in the morning. Titus and the kids want blueberry biscuits with sausage gravy, so we'll make those in the morning. I wanted to show y'all these things I was telling y'all about in yesterday's video. It was this morning when I was telling y'all about them. It's these, what are they called? Waterproof shoe covers. Comfy Time is the name brand of them. It's these little like silicone shoe covers. These are Manly, so they're little. Well, they're actually, I hope they're not way too big for his, they'll stay on anyway because they're really sticky. Like they'll stick to his boot even if it's a little bit bigger than his boot. Yeah. Oh, Jonah, good. Jonah's already, yeah, you can test yours. Jonah's already got his on his boot. See that? It's not gonna get all wet in the snow. That's great. Yeah, you can get both of yours. Here you go.
It'll make them look clean.
Yeah, it'll make them look clean. Look at that. That's great. So what we're gonna do with the muffins is the blueberry ones, we're gonna make like a praline blueberry muffin. Once we get the muffin mixture made and put into the muffin pan, we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of chopped pecans with some cinnamon and brown sugar on them on top of the blueberry muffin, so they'll be like a praline blueberry muffin. And with the chocolate chunk one, in half of them, we're gonna make them be chocolate espresso muffins. So we're gonna add just a little bit of my leftover coffee from the French press. Uh-oh, I don't have any coffee left from the French press. That's fine. I have some instant espresso over there. We'll mix some of that up and add into the batter for half of these muffins. So they'll be half just regular chocolate chunk and half chocolate espresso. Oh yeah, I forgot about these. I got this penguin snow tube because I thought we were getting all those inches of snow, but they'll be able to have a little bit of fun with it.
The penguin one is mine.
Yeah, the penguin one's Manny's. This is a smaller one. And then I got this big one for Jonah and Sissy to play with. It's a really big one. Yours is in that box. We'll do the blueberry ones first. So I'm just gonna follow the recipe on the back. I'm just gonna spray it instead of using any muffin liners because I don't have any paper ones, and I have some silicone ones, but I gotta be cooking here in just a little bit, so I don't want to search for them. The kids were using them for some kind of craft thing the other day, so I'm sure I'm missing some. Am I supposed to drain these blueberries? Yes, okay, thought so. Blueberries going in. The perfect thing for scooping muffins into a muffin tin is a big ice cream scoop. Just like my cookie scoop that I have. I had one of those, just like this one. It was another Pioneer Woman one, but it was the big one. It broke several years ago, so I haven't had it. I'm just gonna double up on my cookie scoop here. Now I have some homemade blueberry muffins that are really good, and they turn out really big, like those bakery style muffins. I think I have a few videos on them, but I'll link one down below. Okay, we're not gonna get quite a dozen because I'm making these a little bit bigger than normal. We'll get 10 of the blueberry ones. Now we'll do just the regular chocolate ones first and get them in the oven, and then we'll mix up the espresso ones. I think this chocolate chunk espresso muffin is gonna be really good. Chocolate one's going in. I forgot to put the pecan topping on the blueberry ones. Why didn't y'all stop me? We're gonna chop some pecans real quick. These are already chopped, but I'm gonna chop them a little bit smaller. We're gonna use a little bit of this pecan flour, some melted butter, a little bit of cinnamon, and a little bit of brown sugar. These have already started to poof up on me, but I think it'll still stick to them. I don't know. We'll see what happens. You know what? I'll break them up a little bit so that it will stick. All we gotta do is take a fork and kind of scrape off that. Oh yeah, there we go. It'll stick to them now. We'll do that so that our pecan stuff will still stick and it'll be fine. I'm gonna leave 3 without the pecans in case somebody wants a blueberry one without that on top. Filling up my brown sugar jar here. So I just kind of eyeballed this, maybe a 1/4 cup of the chopped pecans, 2 or 3 tablespoons of pecan flour. Now we'll put 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm gonna get just a little bit of butter and soften it in the microwave, probably just a tablespoon or 2. I'm putting it in here with the pecan mixture. Now we'll just put a little bit of this on top of the muffins. Most of the time there's a way you can fix something if you make a mistake. It's just a happy little accident. I can't believe I forgot that. Too excited about the snow. These are already smelling really good. All right, these are going back in the oven. Now this is the rest of the chocolate mix. I'm just gonna get that instant espresso coffee over there. We don't need too much. I think I'm just gonna do about, let's see, a couple of teaspoons of the espresso mix. And then I'm gonna put just a tablespoon or so of water with it. It's just espresso instant coffee. We use it to make our coffee ice cream. And then I just did a very little bit of water, just enough to mix it around. It smells good. We're gonna add that right in. These are gonna be good, y'all. I can tell, that smells amazing. So when the other chocolate pan gets done, then I'll put these in. Now I'll wash dishes and then start the hamburger steaks. Snow muffins are done. We taste tested all of them. Kids, of course, love the chocolate chip and the blueberry. The blueberry with the praline topping is really good. The chocolate chunk espresso ones, they're really good, but you can't taste the espresso. So if you want to be able to taste the espresso flavor, maybe double the amount that you put in there. I just put a little bit, so they're still good though.
Everyone, we are sitting here watching, well, I'm standing here. It's been a long day for me. Been shoeing horses and ain't been long got home, but I tell you, we sitting here, standing here, and we're watching the Waltons, and we are getting ready for the biggest blizzard since we've been born. Oh, we're just kidding about that. They are saying it's supposed to snow, and yes, we are excited about the snow. Everybody's excited. I know there's people uptown saying, I hope it don't, but they really deep in their heart, they hope it is.
It's getting down to the final hours of the snow watch.
And there's going to be a secret drink.
Yes, there's going to be a secret drink. Do you know what it's called? I'll tell you.
It's a snow punch.
Snow punch. Do we want the snow punch tonight or tomorrow?
Tonight.
Tonight. Okay, that's what I was. You need it for the snow watch, right? So we have Twist Up, which is some sort of brand of lemon lime soda.
Ignore the sound.
Okay, we're ignoring. Everybody ignore that. We didn't hear a thing. It's just me, Titus, Jonah, Sissy, and Manly here, so I'm just making enough for us to everybody to have a little cup of it. The recipe makes like half a gallon or over half a gallon, so we don't want to make that much. We're just going to make enough for us to all have a little bit tonight.
Oh yeah, have you seen the broken Christmas tree on Mama's cup right there?
Yeah, he noticed those broken Christmas trees. So we start with a banana. You want to throw the banana in?
Yeah.
And I'm just going to kind of guesstimate how much I need to put in here of everything. But I'll put the whole recipe down below for y'all. Okay, throw those in.
Banana.
You might have to stand up. Now we need some lemon juice. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in there. I'm just squeezing in some here.
Can I do some?
You keep squeezing that. We're putting in a cup of the twist up. I'm not sure if that's going to be enough of that. We'll check it.
Squeeze in some lemon.
Yep, you just keep squeezing that lemon.
You squeeze that lemon in there, Skeeter back.
Okay.
Oh, we need the half and half. Can you run in there and get the half and half, Manly?
Can I drop the lemon in so it can be a little bit tasty?
No, I don't think we need to put that lemon peel in. It would definitely
Make Mom.
a snow punch.
Yeah.
We're gonna put a cup of half and half. I'm kind of, you know, like I said, I'm changing this up a little. We're just gonna see what happens here. And we're gonna put in 3 of these Talenti strawberry sherbet bars.
I really like these.
Yeah, they're pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
You press the power menu and then Sissy's gonna press, after it quits blinking, you press low. There we go.
Looks like a
Let me see a cup for you, Sissy.
I smell the banana.
Smell the banana in there? Mm-hmm.
It's so smooth.
Mm-hmm.
How you like it, Skeeter back?
It looks like snow when it's really good.
Is it?
Yeah, when
How
it
you
has
like it?
banana in it.
Wow. Have you ever tasted
It's
anything as good as that? That's really good.
Jonah, we made snow punch.
You want some? Good night. See y'all tomorrow.
Oh yeah, y'all got what?
Do you think it's time?